everybody, my name is Marilyn. If you are new to my channel, I do beauty and lifestyle and vlog here. In today's video, I just want to talk to you guys a little bit more about Glow Viva. So if you guys haven't watched my previous vlog, so basically I show you guys the behind the scenes on how the past couple of months or weeks that I've been working on this project. But today I just want to really dive on it just in case if you guys have any questions and if you are looking to launch your own products online. So Glow Viva, the reason why I choose that name, so I actually have that name already written down 2 years ago. So if you are new to my channel, I actually used to do a lot of makeup, skincare videos, and when I thought about launching my products, I thought I'm gonna actually start launching makeup products such as lipstick, eye makeup, and all that. But as the years goes on, I get so busy and I barely get to put on makeup. So honestly, the most I have time during the day would be 10 to 15 minutes to put on my makeup. So I have to be creative and be smart on just focusing on makeup items that really works well, but in a short period of time. So I don't really have like an hour to just do my eye makeup. So that's where my thought process changed. So I decided to, instead of focusing on makeup products, I want to focus more on skincare. Skincare is so important, whether you're a teenager or you're on your 20s, 30s, 40s, skincare is the basic of it all. And if you're a makeup artist, you would agree that having a really nice base and really taking care of your skin makes a huge difference when you're putting on makeup, because that makeup will look much better if you have a really nice skin. And the reason why I want to focus more on skincare tools is because though I have so many experience working with different brands and I have some products that work for me and there's some products that didn't work for me, and I also promote my own products through my marketing company that I work with or through a brand that I work with, but I still work with different skincare brand that their products work for me. And I truly believe that's why I'm all about customizing your skincare products depending on your skin type and depending on how's your lifestyle, where you live, the climate or the location you're in, whether it's winter, summer, or spring affects so much the situation with your skincare. So, and the reason why I choose skincare tools, because I truly believe skincare tools really enhance our skincare experience. And the first product that we launched is a makeup remover. And the reason for that is one of the main reasons that I see from people that are experiencing skin issue are they don't really properly clean their face. And it starts whether you just use a minimum makeup to heavy makeup, you still need to have a system in place or a process on how you properly take off your makeup. And unfortunately, yes, we have a cleanser, but if you guys notice, even though you use a cleanser at the end of your routine of after you use cleanser, after you wash your face with only cleanser, especially if you're using mascara or eyeliner, you still have those makeup left in your under eye, right? And a lot of people use toner because toner and the pads, the cotton pads, is because to help get rid of that remaining makeup. But if you have a proper way of getting rid of your makeup, you don't need to use cotton pads for your toner. Like for example, myself, I stopped using cotton pads overall to apply my toner. I just put the toner on my hands and then basically just put it on my face. And the reason for that, because I don't really rely on toner anymore to get rid of that excess makeup because of the makeup remover pads that we launched in Glow Viva. So before you even use, and I recommend for you guys to use cleanser, of course, but using a makeup remover pads will just make your life easier because you just need water. And I'm gonna link a video down below how I use the makeup remover pad, but it's just make your life easier by just using water and get rid of your makeup using the makeup pads. And why is it different from anyone else out there that offer pads or makeup remover pads? It took us about a year. We received different samples, different sizes, different materials, and that's why it took me a year, and my husband helped me, of course, to finally have a finalized products, because I wanted to be really different compared to any products out there in the market. So we opt in to have an 11.5 centimeter because most of the makeup remover pads in the market is only 9 centimeter. And I find that 9 centimeter is not enough to help completely remove your makeup. There's also a bigger one, but the 11 centimeter is just perfect size whether you're using the pad at home or you're traveling. The other thing that really important for me is the materials of the products that are available out there is not as soft. I want our product to be soft, that even you have a sensitive skin, it still helps you and you can still use it. Because I have a lot of friends that have sensitive skin, so finding a really good or suggesting a really good product for them is really hard. So for me, providing them this makeup remover pad, I just want to make their life easier. And most of the people that have a sensitive skin, they can even use micellar water. Some of them can't even use that because of how sensitive their skin is. So, but having this makeup remover pads where they just need water and they don't need to add any chemical products on it is ideal for them. The other reason is we created a satin bag that comes with it. Most of the products out there in the market only comes with the packaging, but one of the challenges that we see is, so if they are traveling, people end up putting their pads on their skincare bags, which is not hygienic at all. So we want to provide a separate satin bag where when you store, the product comes with 3 pads. So if you're using one only and you just hand wash it and you don't put it on the laundry, you can just use one at a time and then store 2 of them on the bag. Or if you're traveling, you have a separate bag where you can put that pad so you don't have to mix it with your skincare products. The mesh bag. So the mesh bag is really huge, especially if you're one of those people that use a lot of heavy makeup. We suggest for you to still wash the pads. I like to hand wash my pads and it works well for me, but some of us doesn't really want to do that. So that's the reason why we provide a mesh bag. So that's basically the reason why I specifically use the makeup remover pads. Link down below the demo on how I use it. We'll be launching more products, but that's the reason why I launched this specific product. So the next video that I'm gonna launch is I'm gonna talk to you guys about the basic of how you can launch your products, things that I've done. So that's basically the reason and why I choose Glow Viva.
Hi guys, so it's me. I'm just editing the video and I totally forgot to close this specific video, but if you guys have any other questions about how I started my beauty brand, feel free to comment down below what type of video you want me to create. But definitely, if you are new here, please make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on your notification so you can get notified when I upload that next video walking you through step by step on basic things that you should consider when you are launching your online brand. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.